Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious sorbet step by step. Start by picking ripe fruit and tasting for sweetness, then chill it well. Measure sugar or simple syrup to taste and note acidity levels. Balance flavors with a squeeze of lemon or lime and a touch of salt. Prep ingredients cold so freezing is faster and texture stays smooth, reducing large ice crystals for a silkier sorbet. Combine equal parts sugar and water over low heat until sugar dissolves, then cool fully before mixing with fruit puree. Use less syrup for very sweet fruit and more for tart varieties. Infuse the syrup with herbs or spices for subtle complexity, then strain for clarity. Chilling the syrup and puree speeds freezing and improves texture. Taste and fine-tune sweetness so the final sorbet is bright, balanced, and refreshingly flavorful. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They feel as reliable as a perfect sorbet recipe. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If you have an ice cream maker, churn until soft set, then transfer to the freezer to firm up. No maker. Pour mixture into a shallow pan and stir every 20 minutes as it freezes to break ice crystals. For best scoopability, let the sorbet sit at room temperature for a few minutes before serving. Always store airtight to avoid freezer burn and preserve bright, clean flavors for every scoop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.